about that
So
movie. You are made to act, right? After long gap or something like that. Nanda, you did a great acting. You missed out your national award because you didn't give your dubbing. Something like that I heard. Is it so?
that was Pitamagan.
Pitamagan, then
The
not for this. Okay, not
No, not for Nanda.
not for.
For Pitamagan, I was a good girl, but I never looked for controversy.
Okay.
And then I always thought, if I badmouth them, then the jury will always take panga with me and never want to. I don't care. To hell with them and to hell with their awards. I think national awards are fixed.
Of not getting released for 2 years, I think so. 2-3 years. Ullam hit me. I think so. Quickly say when I think you did not act with Vijay. I think you had some chance to act, or somehow it didn't happen. Otherwise, you acted it most of the.
I didn't act with Vijay.
Yeah, you did. You did act with Vijay. Any movie? Hi friends, we would like you to subscribe and also press the bell icon so that you'll get the notifications from YouTube. So from that fun-filled movies you were getting on, and very light roles. So I think till then which came first? Nanda came.
Nanda.
Nanda came first.
Yeah.
And to all our surprise, I mean, you were made to look dark and very pavam, no? Pavama or girl, which is unlike.
Was I pavam?
Pavam means pity looking. I mean, as an innocent girl, no, becoming slowly hard, stronger by the film.
I would call it pavam. Yeah, I guess pavam only. Is that? It's just a very funny thought that, yeah.
Yeah, but what do you feel about it? You are made to act, right? After long gap or something like that. Nanda, you did a great acting. You missed out your national award because you didn't give your dubbing. Something like that I heard. Is it so?
That was Pitamagan.
Pitamagan, not for this. Okay.
Not for Nanda. For Pitamagan, the jury told me we are giving the award to Kenny Vikram.
Okay.
So we can't give the same actor and actress in the same film.
Okay.
Which I thought was very unfair.
Yeah,
extremely unfair.
Very true, very true.
I mean, that should not be a criteria for choosing who gets the national award.
So you start with the women's lib, or what is that like? I mean, or both could have been given. That's what you're saying.
Yeah, it's nothing about women's lib. I think it's just a very bad judgment, and therefore after that I have just lost all respect for awards and award functions, and it's all wrong. If you're going to honor a person for their acting, you don't just because the hero is getting off the film, and then we should give other people. They had told me we should give other people chances. I think that's a very wrong criteria for an award.
I think you did mention this. Did you mention in those days you were able to express this view of yours?
No, I did not mention it in those days. In fact, I think this is the first time I'm mentioning it on an interview.
I know why.
But I'd like to mention it, and I'd like to make it public that this is what I was told.
But why didn't you not say then? What was stopping you? You are a bold girl, right? So, or it was more of a.
I was a bold girl, but I never looked for controversy.
Okay.
And then I always thought, if I badmouth them, then the jury will always take panga with me and never want to give me an award later. And I was in that whole thing, but now I don't care. I don't care. To hell with them and to hell with their awards. I think national awards are fixed, and it is said over here on your interview. It is not a genuine award.
Okay, you won't believe, great actor Shivaji Ganeshan never got the national award. Unbelievable. Nobody
Exactly.
could. Yeah. Nobody could.
Unbelievable.
Yeah.
Ridiculous.
Yeah.
And then what is the great thing of saying I'm a national award winner? Why? I
Okay,
don't
we
think
will,
it's a great thing at all.
we will carry it on so that I don't want to see a very tough Laila now. You have been always a smile. I know. So good.
I can be tough, and you know that.
I know that.
You
That's
know
what-
I can be very tough.
So that's what I was coming to. The point was like Nanda. What was the? You started with Bala, right? In Nanda.
I had always worked with these very easygoing directors so far. My very first director, Mehmood, was strict, very, very strict, and not as strict as Bala. He was strict, and I used to. It was my very first film, my very first, time acting and experiencing making a movie. So, I'm talking about my first film,
I know.
Mehmood directing. So he was strict, and after that, I worked with all these young, easygoing directors, and I always felt, oh, Mehmood was old school.
Oh, okay.
But then I started Nanda, and initially I really wanted to work with Bala sir as a director after he made Setu. And initially, before we started shooting, he was like, "Oh, I want this, and I don't want you in any makeup, and I don't want this, and I don't want that, and I just want you to tie one ponytail, and I don't want this." And, I was like, "My God, what is this director up to?" And then, because we had this tryout in the beginning at his office, like what costumes to wear and whatever, and Surya and I would sat down and we worked on our characters and things. It was that was the first time I met Surya. And we were like, okay, should we do this and should we do that? And then we sat and worked out everything, and Bala sir never told us the script, and I kept asking him, and he's like, I'm not telling you, you will get to know as and when I choose to tell you. So this was
really,
like this
it's not
whole new world.
Yeah.
I worked with Dharini, and
he's called as Ramani only, I think so. His name
is Ramani, and he changed it to Dharini.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm saying Ramani, because to me he's Ramani.
Yeah.
He's not Dharini. So I had worked with Dharini, I had worked with Murugadas, I had worked with a whole bunch of directors who were very chilled and easygoing directors and never had any hang-ups. But when I got onto location, the first day of shooting with Bala sir, we have no idea what the script is. We have no idea what the character is. I am like flying blind here. I don't know what I'm doing. And Bala sir was very particular. He'd be like, you come here, you do this, you do that, you move your hand, you move your eyes, and you do this, and you move your head this way. I'm like, yeah, but what am I doing? Really, I don't know. So he's like, you just trust me. So first day went along. I said, okay, maybe it's just the first day. He's just, I went to Surya. I'm like, what is this kind of shooting? I don't know. And then I said, I don't know what the script is. I don't know what the character is. But Bala sir, in every frame, I'm saying every frame, not even every shot, he would make sure, this is particularly, that is put perfectly how this should be and how that should be. He'd tell you everything, and you had to just follow him to the T. And so Surya and I were like, okay, fine, we suppose we're in safe hands, because Setu was fantastic. So we just went along, and then Bala sir was very strict. nobody could joke with him, and it was a completely different.
Military regime kind of a thing. Very disciplined.
So we didn't want to upset the apple basket also. Surya and I were like very taking it very easy and saying, chalo, let's just go with what he says, and let's just let him. I mean, we're in safe hands. So slowly, and every scene was like, really, this happens now? And and we were in the dark about the script. We were in the dark about everything except the present scene that we were shooting. Then slowly we got into the kind of the way of working with Bala sir, and it took a little time to get used to.
I know.
But coming from like films like
happy-go-lucky kind of environment to some.
Yeah, happy-go-lucky environment, and then of course, I can't sit quiet for long.
I know.
So my masti starts after a while.
Yeah.
So I started doing my masti. And then Bala sir he used to stay away and from everybody. And then Surya and I, and then the DOP, everybody, we'd have our fun. Bala sir would stay away. By the time we started shooting Nanda, all that went out the window.
I see.
Then he used to join into the fun.
Oh, I see.
And yeah, I mean, not to an extent,
But
not
he
to that
started
much
accommodating.
extent, but yeah, he'd laugh and he'd like say whatever, And then, so by the time Pitamagan came along,
sir. Wait, sir. Single vacha,
Excuse
double
me.
vacha, double and triple vacha.
Padmini, 1 rupee.
we were very close, all of us, the whole unit. It was like a family. Every film for me is like a family, but when you do 2 films with the same unit, it's a whole different ballgame. We became very close, the whole unit, every single person from the light boy, everybody knew everybody, and then Pitamagan, the character, see, Nanda, my character didn't demand for me to be so serious. Like the acting was not as serious as when Pitamagan came along.
Okay.
And there were certain scenes where I lost my temper. I mean, can you imagine me? You always say I'm all happy-go-lucky and all. A couple of times I lost my head.
Yeah.
Like that one scene where there are girls, village girls who are holding me back. I think it was Surya's death scene. Is it really trying to...
I think in the sack or something, inside a sack, the body is in the sack or something like that.
Yeah. And they're pulling me back, those girls. And I am like screaming, and I was really in that whole mood of acting. And when I get into that, it's a bit like the whole mood of everything is into that. And if somebody distracts you, it's not nice.
I know, correct.
So like when you're really into that character and into that mood, and you want to just express what you have to. And then this girl, one of the girls, came and covered me in front of the camera.
Oh.
And I got so angry. I just sort of like whacked her.
Oh.
And Bala sir came running because he got really angry also. And he came running, and he'd whack anybody. Okay. If somebody really pissed him off, he'd whack them.
Yeah.
He'd slap people. He was not nice with serious scenes.
Yeah.
So he came running, and he's like, "Who's that girl? I'm going to whack her." And somebody stopped him and said, No, don't whack her. He's like, "Why?" They're like, Laila already whacked her. that was a terrible thing. I went and apologized to the girl later,
I
but
know.
you know, when you're in that whole mood and in that whole scene, you are just like really concentrated. So that's
I'm
what
sure.
those films do.
I'm sure he is a great filmmaker. He has really, gave life to Vikram. I think so. The first movie.
Yeah.
What Vikram was about 14 years, he has to wait to create something. that
I
will be-
I know. Vikram really, really
Yeah,
waited and worked hard
Yeah,
towards
work
what
hard.
he has now.
So,
Yeah.
I mean, Bala, I think all of you must have got along very well with Bala because you need to understand where he is coming from. I think that is most important, right? So you,
It demanded 100% concentration,
Yeah.
or you're out.
absolutely, that's what I'm trying to coming to.
And
So, yeah, go ahead.
yeah, so there was no like shortcuts with Bala sir. There were no shortcuts. Even for Nanda, Surya, you know, he said, I don't want you wearing all these tanning creams and makeup and all. I want a perfect tan.
Mhm.
So Surya would sit in the sun,
Oh,
and he would actually sit in the sun as long as he could, and that was like a natural tan for him. And I used to sit in the sun also. I mean, we were shooting in Dhanushkodi, and my god, those days of shooting were so amazing. The adventures we've had, I think the adventures we had with Nanda, I've not experienced in any other film.
I can quickly say when I think you did not act with Vijay. I think you had some chance to act, or somehow it didn't happen. Otherwise, you acted it most of the.
I didn't act with Vijay.
Yeah, you did. You did act with Vijay. Any movie? Of not getting released for 2 years, I think so. 2-3 years. Ullam Ketme. I think so.
Gem to me. He was the most, I'm telling you, the one hero that has been the most gentlemanly person to me. Surya used to be very quiet. I think he's still quiet. But he used to be very shy. And of course, with him being shy, and yeah, Surya blossomed. Surya is like
That's what
literally like, yeah, he's blossomed from that shy boy to a fantastic actor now.
Hi friends, we would like you to subscribe and also press the bell icon so that you'll get the notifications from YouTube.